guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can run a copyright check on your videos, basically like your audio actually, on CapCut PC. So it only works if your audio is longer than 1 minute. You're just going to simply select the audio bit, and in the copyright check you're just going to select it and you're just going to press check. Oh, I muted it, sorry. Make sure you unmute the video, of course. It's going to run a copyright check, and it will show you, as you can see, my one will be muted on TikTok because it's longer than a minute, and then the song will be copyrighted because, again, it's over a minute. And you can recheck it. You can also change the sound if you want to, and they'll find like similar sounds that you can basically find. If not, just make sure you just delete that audio. And that's it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!